And so the theme of today's conversations around kind of these events that you've been putting on over the last, what is it, 6 months, maybe almost a year? When was the first one?
We started talking about this in December, and then did
Okay.
our very first one very quickly in January in Detroit.
So let's maybe like rewind back to that time. I mean, what was the seed? What were some of those like conversations? Like, was this on the back of a bar napkin? What was the start of it?
I mean, David deserves all the credit for sure because he did this. He did a similar thing back when we both worked at HP in 2018, and I went to it as an attendee. And then he reached out to me and said, I'm thinking about doing these again. You wanna join me? And I was like, definitely, because I'd gone to that event and I loved it. So that's my story.
Yeah, I so it one of these things where it's like productizing in services. Well, it's like I see a gap in the industry um, that I think it fills. We can get into that, but how it started was exactly that. I called up Chris and said, "Hey, I've got an idea," and I didn't I knew that she was extremely talented and smart. I did not realize that it was like at the end of the conversation there would be like an LLC, a website, like every operational element needed for a business entity. I think was done within like at least 48 hours. And as an innovator, having that like forcing function to like, no, we're doing this thing, we're committing today, we're moving forward, really helps like the product development process and helps you innovate. So you've been a great partner throughout this because of that. I can live in this product development space, creating things and not moving anything forward in that. And so it was a really good partnership, just from the beginning.
Our differences have served us very well, I think, and it's been really fun.
Be sure to check out our website, www.3degreescompany.com, for more content.